Hi musical explorers, welcome to another lesson. Today we're going to continue to do our level 1 theory book. So today we will be doing a review test. Alright, let's begin with the review test. So first let's mark all of these notes on our keyboard. So this is G, A, C, E, F, and A. And then we have in treble clef C, E, A, D, F, and A. Alright, now let's do our second exercise. Draw flats before the notes that will change these major 5-finger patterns into minor 5-finger patterns. So in order to change it into a minor 5-finger pattern, we have to lower the third. So that's our third, and we're just going to lower it. And that for this one, the A is our third. We're going to lower it. Alright, draw sharps before the notes that will change these minor 5-finger patterns into major 5-finger patterns. Alright, so we know that the third is being lowered, right? So in order to make it like sharp, or in order to make it into a major, we have to sharp it. So this one is gonna have that sharp, F sharp, right? Alright, and then as well as this one. So this one's gonna be sharp as well. Correct? Okay, moving on. Okay, now we have to name these major key signatures. So let's begin. So one flat is F major. 2 sharps is D major. 1 sharp is G major. Alright, now let's do F major scale. So yeah, let's begin. So what is in the key signature of F major? Well, we have B flat, right? So we're going to flat the B that we see, which is over here. So we're going to do the flat next to it. All done. Let's do D major scale now. So we know in D major there's F sharp, C sharp. So in a sharp F and C. So there's F here, C here. That is our D major scale. Okay, now let's circle the major triads in these examples. There are 4. Okay, so let's see the first one. The first one is, okay, let's see. I think I'll use my highlighter for this. So what is in the key signature of F major? In F major, we have B flat. Do we have B flat? Well, we don't have B. And there's no other key signature, so that means it is a major. So we're just going to highlight the major ones. What about this one? Well, we see that there is an E flat. There's a flat on our third, so that's probably not a major key. Okay, let's do this one. So what is in the key signature of D major? Well, we have F sharp, C sharp. But this F is natural. It is not sharp, so it got lowered. That means that is a minor, so that's not a major. And we're going to move on. What about this one? Well, what's in the key signature of E major? We have F, C, G, D, right? That means there is a G sharp, and there's no other notes. That means this is a major key, or a major triad. All right, let's do this one. So we see that the third is raised, or not raised. The third is does include the key signature in A major. That means it is a major triad. What about this one? What's in the key signature of G major? In G major, we have F sharp. Well, we don't have any Fs in here, so that's okay. And there's no other key signature. That means it is a major key, right? Awesome. So those are the 4 triads. Okay, let's do the next exercise. Name these minor triads. So, they already told us that they are minor triads, so we can just look at the bottom note to find out what key. So, this is a G, so that's a G minor triad. This is a E minor triad. This is a F minor triad. Awesome. Let's do number 6. Answer the following questions about these triads. Draw a circle around the 5th chord, 5th triad. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're just going to draw a circle around it. Draw a box around the first triad. It's that one. Draw a box. Okay. Are the 1 and 5 chords major or minor? Well, let's see. So, this is in the key signature of F major. So, are any of the thirds lowered? Nope. So that means it is a major. They are majors. They are major chords, major triads. Awesome. Let's look at this one. Draw the primary triads for the key of G major. Do not use a key signature. Draw sharps or flats before the notes the first triad is given. So the primary triads, let's do a quick review. What are primary triads? Oh, look. One flip and we got it. Okay. Primary triads are 1, 4, and 5, remember? So we're going to draw the 1, 4, and 5 of, let's see, this is G. So we're going to draw 1, 4, and 5 of G. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's going to be on the C. Make a triad. What's in the key signature of G major? F sharp. We don't have any F. That's okay. Now we do 5th. 1, 2, 3, F sharp. There it is. Now let's label it as well, because why not? Just like that. Awesome. Let's do the next one. We're almost done. Let's push through. Yeah, okay. Yeah, we're almost done. I think there's like 4 more pages and we'll be done. Okay, the cuckoo. Let's do this one. Circle these questions about the music above. Okay, answer these questions about the music above. I thought it's a circle. Anyways, circle the part of the music that is exactly like measures 1 through 4. So 1 through 4. Let's circle that is exactly like 1 through 4. So it's going to be this one, right? Let's see. I'm just going to circle it, okay? Whoa, okay. Awesome. We're done with that one. How many beats each measure? They have 3 beats each measure if we look at the time signature. All right. Write counts under the notes for the first 4 measures. The first measure is given. Okay, let's do that. Oh, with the camera. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Okay. What is the key or tonality? It is in, do we see any key signature? No, that means it's in C major, right? Okay. What does mezzo forte mean? Mezzo forte means medium loud. Just like that. Okay. Next, how should the notes in measure 1 through 2 be played? Mark 1. So as we can see from 1 through 2, they have these little dots below the notes, right? That means they are staccato notes. That means they are detached notes. That means it's going to be this one, staccato. Got it? Awesome. Let's do the next one. So, what is the key or tonality? We see one F sharp. That means it is a G major key. Okay, write the number of each measure that uses the G major triad in the left-hand part. Okay, write the number of measures. Write the number of each measure. Okay, so G major, where do we see it? Well, we see it twice, right? It's over here and here. Got it? That means they appear in measures 1 and 4. So just going to write 1 and 4. All right. Do the notes in the right-hand part of measure 1 make the G major triad? Do they? Yes, they do. We have G, B, and D. So that's also G, B, and D. That's also G major triad. So yes, they do. How many beats are in each measure? 4 beats per measure. What kind of note gets 1 beat? Well, quarter note receives 1 beat, right? Because it's 4/4 time. What does forte mean? Forte means loud. And what does piano mean? Piano means soft. Okay, which beats will be emphasized in this music? It's going to be 1 and 3. Because 1 is going to be a accented note and 3 is going to be a tenuto note. Awesome, let's move on. Almost done. Okay, answer the following questions about the music above. What is the key? So we have 1 flat, which means it's an A, F major. Name the circle interval in measures 1, 2, and 3. So 1, we have 1, 2. That's our second. Measure 2, 1, 2, 3. So that's third. What about this one? 1, 2, 3. So that's also third. Awesome. The second measure is made of just 1 chord. What is this chord? So here's our chord. We have C, E, G, right? Well, yeah, C, E, G. That means it is C major chord. Circle the F major triad in the bass clef. The F. Okay, so it's over here, sorry. It's over here. It says to circle it, but I just highlighted it, so I guess that's okay. Okay, how many beats are in each measure? 3 beats each measure. 3/4 time, right? What kind of note? Well, quarter. Okay, how many quarter notes are in this music? Let's count together. So how about, let's see. How about I mark it with this red marker? So let's circle all of the quarter notes. Yes. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? We have 6 quarter notes. So we're just going to write 6. And how many beats does each dotted half note receive? Each dotted half note, which are these. These are called dotted half notes. So dotted half notes means it is 1 half note. And then, so basically this is, if we just look at the half note itself, half note worth, sorry, that doesn't look like a, okay, half note, sorry, like that. Half note is worth 2 beats. But then if we have a dotted, the dot is worth half of what note we have. That means it's going to be this plus dotted note equals 3 beats. So how many beats does each dotted half note receive? It receives 3. Or you can just tell by it saying, oh, there's like 3 beats per measure. This takes up one measure, which means it is taking up 3 beats, right? Awesome. Okay, this one is 10, but to be continued. So write counts under the notes below and draw accents on the strong beats. The first measure is given. So let's count. This is, and 3/4 time, right? So this is 1, 2, 3. Accent on first note, first beat, and then 1 and 2, 3. Accent. 1, 2, 3. Accent. Okay. How should the music sound? Well, let's look at over here. So, what do we see? What do we see? We see mezzo piano. What does mezzo piano mean? Mezzo piano means medium soft. So that's going to be the correct answer. Okay. How should the notes in the left-hand part of measure 2 sound? Over here, right? Okay. That means, look at the slur. Do you see the slur? That thing? The slur? That means it is legato. It's legato note. It's connected, right? Awesome. Let's do some definitions of these terms and symbols. So we have one F. That means it's forte, which means to play loud. And now we have a tempo, which means to return to original tempo. So it's this one. And this one's a staccato note, which means it's played detached. So it's over here. Last but not least, this is an accent. So it means to just emphasize the note, right? Awesome. To play it like stronger than other notes. And yay, I think that's it. That's all for level 1 book. We finished the level 1 book today. Hooray! Alright, musical explorers, I'm so happy that we finished our level 1 book. So that's gonna be it for the level 1 theory book, right? And we're gonna be moving on to the level 2 theory book in our next video. So I'm looking forward to doing some more advanced stuff with you guys. Okay, bye. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.